Welcome. What are the product contact parts in the injectable manufacturing process? In the pharmaceutical industry, product contact parts in injectable manufacturing are any materials or components that come into direct contact with the drug product during processing, filling, and packaging. What are common product contact parts in injectable processing? Vials, stoppers, syringes, filling needles or nozzles, tubings, filters, holding tanks or vessels. These are the common product contact parts in injectable processing. What are regulatory and technical considerations for product contact parts? All product contact parts must be made from materials that are chemically inert, sterilizable, and compliant with pharma grade standards. Cleaning, sterilization, and deparization of these parts are critical to avoid contamination and to ensure product sterility throughout the manufacturing process. Product compatibility studies are routinely conducted to ensure that drug solutions or suspensions do not react with or are not contaminated by these materials. Why is SS316L preferred for product contact surfaces? SS316L offers excellent corrosion resistance, is a non-reactive and complies with GMP standards for cleanability and durability. How are product contact parts cleaned? Product contact parts are cleaned through validated CIP, that is clean in place or manual cleaning procedure using approved cleaning agents followed by rinsing and drying. What documentation is required for product contact parts? Cleaning validation reports, part identification log, material certificates, and preventive maintenance records are required for product contact parts. Are filters considered product contact parts? Direct answer to this question is yes. Filter membranes and housings that come into contact with product solution are considered product contact parts. How often are product contact parts inspected or replaced? Product contact parts are inspected or replaced based on a predefined schedule or during preventive maintenance depending on wear, cleaning cycles, and product exposure. What are typical materials for product contact parts? First, metals, stainless steel SS316 and other alloys for special conditions. Second, glass, borosilicates preferred for vials and ampoules. Third, plastics and elastomers. And fourth, membranes for filters. What are the critical considerations for selecting tubing in biopharmaceutical processing? You can refer below details for critical considerations for selecting tubings in biopharmaceutical processing. The critical considerations are material, leachables profile, flexibility and kink resistance, and gamma or ETO sterilization compatibility. Why are product compatibility studies necessary for contact parts? These studies confirms that the formulation does not react with, adsorb to, or degrade from contact with processing or packaging materials, ensuring product stability and safety throughout its shelf life. How are product contact parts stored after cleaning? Product contact parts are stored after cleaning in designated clean storage area, often covered and labeled to prevent contamination and mix-up. What is the impact of poorly maintained product contact parts? Poorly maintained product contact parts can lead to contamination, batch rejection, equipment damage, or regulatory non-compliance. Are product contact parts part of equipment qualification? Direct answer is yes. They are inspected and verified during IQ, installation qualification, OQ, operational qualification, and PQ, performance qualification stages to ensure suitability for use. What regulatory guidelines apply to product contact parts in injectable manufacturing? Guidelines from US FDA, UAMP Annex 1 and WHO TRS 986 or 981 require materials to be cleanable, inert, and traceable. What training is required for handling product contact parts? Personnel must be trained on identification, cleaning, assembly, handling, and GMP documentation practices required for handling of product contact parts. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.